fantasy and jewels, Carol Chanis. She has placed third at the competition on Thursday night. She's followed by the junior queen of the band. Give her a lovely round of applause. She's just going before us now. The junior queen. This is band number 2. Very large band indeed.
You know what his stage is? Yeah, let you know when they get it. Is the one on, right? Yeah. Why are you holding that? Not for her, because it keep on falling off.
We interrupt our commentary to an announcement of a lost boy. His name is Misha Harkov, and we have him here at the announcer's booth. He is looking for his mom and dad. His name is Misha Harkov. If you have misplaced your child, please come to the announcer's booth to select him. Misha Harkov. Thank you. That was really fast.
Thank you for your quick response. We want to remind you to keep holding. Be responsible for the kids. Keep them with you at all times. Thank you for the prompt response. We are sending you with band number 2, Fantasy and Jewels, Louise and Lina.
Yes.
Very nice.
Masquerade sing the song.